Professional nail clipper set upgrade. New nail clipper set contains fingernail clipper, toenail clipper. Separate tools for fingers and toes help reduce the risk of the spread of fungal infections. Clean tidy nail clippers designed with a catcher to prevent nails from splashing everywhere in process of nails clipping, and keep your room clean and tidy. Precision trimming portable. Extra sharp and hand-sharpened cutting edges let you cut thick nails smoothly and easily. Every nail clipper with hole for keychain, portable for everyday multi-purpose use. Durable rust-proof. Clipper body and blades are guaranteed not to rust, tarnish or corrode over time. Solid stainless steel also helps ensure blades stay sharper longer. Provide more functionality and durability. Buy with confidence. If you are not satisfied with the item you received, simply contact us for a replacement or a refund. Top reviews from the United States. Absolute game changer with the curved cutting edge. This is the most comfortable cutter and the curved cutting edges are an absolute game changer. All nail cutters should have these curved edges.